early warning. Strong shaking. This is an earthquake early warning. Please prepare for strong threat early warning. Strong shaking. This is an earthquake early warning. Please prepare for strong threat.
The following areas of Bayburg, Surfside, Beach City, Aquatown, and Ocean Town. Please be on guard for strong tremors. Please watch out for fallen objects. Do not turn off your TV or radio. Do not approach the place of rivers and the ocean. Please take guard under a table until the shaking stops. There was a strong earthquake near Beach City at 7 p.m. We have new information available about the maximum intensities in the affected areas. A maximum Mercalli intensity of 12 was observed in Aquatown. A maximum Mercalli intensity of 11 was observed in Beach City, Surf City, Sea City, and BayBurg. A maximum Mercalli intensity of 10 was observed in Keystone Motel. A maximum Mercalli intensity of 9 was observed in Ocean Town, Wilman Grove, Charm City, and Murder Drones Base. The magnitude of the earthquake was confirmed to be a magnitude 9.5.